a flash of light. We make a bold constellation.
Ito lang yung nakakatagal sa ano ko eh, kakulitan ko.
Place and time.
Hindi ka naiyak.
Yours and mine.
Wala, naiyak na ako.
Naiyak. Ulo!
Ano pa yan eh?
I'm where I'm meant to be. In unison, your heart and mine, this melody for all of time. Now look at us, and now we shine. Every ray of sunshine is smiling down on me, and every bend in the road is a paradise to see. A special kind of magic is filling everything. I'm where I'm meant to be. I'm where I'm meant to be.
Aside from family, I know that you are also building your dream computer setup. I love you, Dad. Thank you. Sa bahay lang ako.
Hindi na ako lalabas.
Hindi ako lalabas.
Every ray of sunshine is smiling down on me.
Ito hindi natin na-practice eh.
Every bend in the road is a paradise to see, 'cause it's meant to be. 'Cause it's meant to be.
Thank you for sharing your dreams, your fears, and your successes with me. And I promise to grow old with you and to face life's challenges with you and find joy in the simplest things. Knowing in my heart that even in difficulties, tayong dalawa yung
I
magkakampi.
was lost on a road headed nowhere without you. Didn't know all that my heart was missing without you.
Ano ba yan?
Then I looked in your eyes and the fog started drifting away. From the winter to spring, I
wala.
could finally see the way.
Wala naman. Wala kasi wala naman
I
magbaga.
feel so awake again. I believe in love again.
I love you.
Thank you kasi pag yung mga panahon na walang naniniwala sa akin, ikaw yung naniniwala sa akin. Pag yung mga panahon na kahit hindi ko na maintindihan or kayang mahalin yung sarili ko, mahal mo pa rin ako. Love, thank you.
And arrested all I knew. Spent my life half asleep, now I see you.
You are my greatest adventure, my wildest hope, and my truest love. In this vast and unpredictable world, I am endlessly grateful that I found you.
I believe in love again. Lord have mercy, I can't breathe now that you stand next to me. You make me feel awake again. If the world falls apart, we'll keep chasing the stars. You
Being an only child has shaped me to be strong, independent, and alone. Pero salamat sa Diyos kasi binigay ka niya sa akin. At ngayon, hindi na ako mag-iisa kasi kasama na kita.
falls apart. We'll keep chasing the stars, you and I. We will hold on to love through the fire and rain till the dark turns to day. You and I, we will hold on to love. I feel so.
I vow to embrace every facet of you, even the parts that challenge me. Together, we will create a life woven with compassion, laughter, and the kind of love that inspires others.
Have mercy.